Make a great choice today with the 2014 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.